Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix audio and remove background noise on CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and for example, I'm going to fix the audio of this video and I'm going to remove the background noise as well. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the video like this, and then you're going to click on the audio option. And I think my audio is sounds weak, so I'm going to increase the volume. But before it, I'm going to show you how weak this audio is.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video,
And it sounds weak, right? So we're going to fix it. So we can increase the volume like this.
I'll be showing you how
And I think it's better. Then if you want to remove the background noise, you can tap on the noise reduction. Okay, and now the noise has been reduced.
you can add overlay to CapCut.
Okay, alright guys, and that's how we can fix audio and remove background noise on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.